What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli, aka the Wing King and the Prince of Lemon Pepper Wings. Now, if you want to learn how to make the best lemon pepper wings on the planet, click that link above and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. But today, I got another delicious recipe for you guys to try. I'm gonna show you how to make a creamy salmon pasta with greens. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use. We're gonna use some fresh parsley. We're gonna use some vodka. Now, if you wanna substitute dry white wine for vodka, you can. We're also gonna use some olive oil, some all-purpose flour, capers, some onion powder, Parmesan cheese, spinach, black pepper, some fresh garlic, 1 lemon, butter, salt, and we're gonna use our pasta here. Now, I cannot pronounce this, so I'm not gonna try because I'm not gonna have you guys make fun of me. But you can also use fettuccine or some linguini. I can say that. All right, and the star of the show, we're gonna use our salmon. So these are the ingredients, guys, so let's go ahead and move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients, so let me tell you what we have. We have 2 cups of spinach. I have 1.5 pounds of salmon. What I did is I've cut them into small chunks. I have 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. I have 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. I have 4 garlic cloves minced. I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have the juice of 1 lemon. I have 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of vodka, 2 tablespoons of capers, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I don't think I put that in our shot, but in the first shot, but we are using heavy whipping cream. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is season our salmon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our dry seasoning and we're just going to mix it together like this, just to combine it. Looks like this. And what we're gonna do now is we're going to start adding our seasoning to our salmon. Just sprinkle it lightly. Then we're gonna give it a good mix, guys, and season it to your desire. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Then we're going to give that also a good mix. And this is what it looks like. So let's move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna prepare our pan. So we're gonna add our butter along with our olive oil. And we're gonna bring it up to temperature. Moving our butter around like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding our salmon bites or chunks, however you wanna call it. And you wanna get those in a single layer and you're gonna move them around and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then what we're gonna do now is we're going to remove them. Looks like we're done. So we're going to just remove them, put them on a plate. And now we're going to bring our pan back up to temperature. We set our salmon aside and we're gonna add our garlic and we're gonna cook this for about 45 seconds. We don't want it to burn, so we're gonna continue to move it around like this. Then you wanna add your vodka or your dry white wine and you're gonna move it around. Add your lemon juice. Next, your heavy whipping cream. Give it a good stir. Next, add your flour. Continue to stir, removing the lumps. You want to make sure that it's a smooth consistency. Add your spinach. Mix that in. And now what you want to do is add your grated Parmesan cheese. and your capers, and you want to give that a good mix. Just like that. See guys, it's coming together. And now you're gonna add your salmon back to that pan, and you wanna mix that together like this. Oh my goodness, it's starting to look good. And we're gonna remove this from the heat, and we're gonna bring our cooked pasta over. I'm gonna give it a quick mix real quick. And since this is the bigger pot, I'm just going to add our salmon cheese mixture to the bigger pot with our pasta, and we're gonna give it a good mix just like this. See this guy? Oh. Now what you're gonna do is you wanna add just a little parsley here to give it a little color. Give it another mix. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get this thing plated up, and there you have it, guys. Creamy salmon pasta. Take a look at that. Oh man, isn't that beautiful? All right guys, so all the ingredients and the measurements are in the video description below. If you need them, go ahead, click those links, and Amazon deliver them straight to your house, guys. I appreciate you guys for the support. So now it's time to get into some quality control and see what this pasta tastes like. All right, so it's quality control time. So let me show you what I have here. You already know that creamy salmon pasta. So let's go ahead and dig into it right now. Man, this is, what I can say is I add a little bit more salt to it. But other than that, man, this is great. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything, and I am out. Peace.